Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for April 23rd, going into the 24th. Okay, we're going to start off with natural gas. Gapped up and lower and came off for the rest of the day. We rolled over into June today. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff here. I warned a macro exhaustion below in the May at 258.10. We held this with a 256.10 low and bounced 202 ticks. And the May did not roll over to take that out yet. Now in the June, I said to get short on a decent penetration below 283.80 plus 0.7 of a tick per hour. We broke below that here at 283.80 and we came off down to 270.90. Decent trade back above that line, which is going to come in at 284.50 plus 0.7 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warrant decent strength. A maintained gap higher would also leave a minor bullish reversal below. The trade below 272.40 to 273.10 and back above may bring in some short covering here before / if resuming lower trade. Okay, in the crude oil, the trade above 85.67 warned a decent strength. We've seen trade from 85.67 up to 98.39. Thursday, we left a minor bullish reversal below. Trade above 87.97 projects us upward $9 plus. And from 87.97, we've traded up to 98.39, as I said. We also broke this line. Has been negated now, so it's been chopped through. Now, decent trade above this formation right here. Which is going to come in at 97.57 minus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That's going to warrant decent strength for $19.50 plus. If we break above there decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. But we saw the ideal rejection off the line here, so a break above it should be a higher quality break at this point. Decent failure below 92.30 should bring in decent pressure, especially if it takes out 91.82 in the process decently. And RBOB kept trucking higher. The trade above 3 even 24 is brought in, trade up to 337.10. Tuesday, we left a minor bullish reversal below. We'd seen 30.37 cents coming into today from the 302.54 open, and then the additional amount on the day. And then the trade above 305.41 projects us upward 8.3 cents minimum, 35.7 cents plus maximum. We attained 27.5 of that coming into today, and then this extra bit up to the highs. Now, we had rejected off of this exhaustion level for 9.79 cents and then rallied back up to it. We actually rejected from the top of it right here briefly from 335.71 down to 328.49 before coming up to test the top of it again. Further break above this would open up the upside to possibly seeing a run up to 350.81, although that's not a projection or anything by any stretch. A decent trend, a decent penetration, or just a failure below 321.04. Excuse me, 321.04 to 320 even. That'll warn of renewed pressure. In the heating oil, Maintain gap lower in the heating oil tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. Tuesday, we left a minor bullish reversal warned about below. And from 344.86, we had rallied 47.29 cents into today, and then saw another piece of it rallying above 392.15 to 394.32. And then the trade above 347.52 projects us upward 17 cents minimum, 76 cents plus maximum. We detained 44.63 cents of that coming into today, and then that extra piece there. That maximum is going to be shaved a bit. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 375.88 at 6 o'clock. Plus 56 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent pressure. Further decent break below 368.73 will also warrant a pressure. Maintain gap lower into Brent tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. Tuesday, we left a minor bullish reversal warned about below. We'd rallied $9.85 from the 96.30 open into today, and then an extra piece here from 106.15 up to 107.40. We have a major formation up here at 111.10 to 111.08 to 111.10. Decent penetration above there will project this upward another $25. But we prefer to see a rejection off there of $1.50, $2 first before breaking above it to give it added credibility. Gas oil will maintain gap lower tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. Gas oil, again, we rolled over into the June. Tuesday, we left a minor bullish reversal warned about below. We'd rallied $139 from the 1023.75 open, and a little bit more from 1162.75 to 1172.50. Decent trade below 1098 will warrant a decent pressure. Also a decent penetration below this steep formation right here, which is going to come in at 1121.55 plus 197 per hour. Excuse me, that's not right. Be 192 per hour. Decent trade below there at 8 o'clock p.m. will warrant decent pressure. Cadence going into tomorrow is the RBOB is the strongest of the three, the crude oil in the middle, and the heat the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.